Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. On your other, rigging your other rod.
Oh, you want to rig my rod for me? I'm too much for my friend Di.
Are we recording?
Yes.
Oh, I always will warn you first.
You know you can't go by anything I say.
I know. Trust is an important thing in a friendship.
Trust is an important thing.
Remember that.
Oh, Di, that was good. Oh, guess I blew that one. Oh, okay. Okay, I got another one. Looks like a trout. Whoa! Jiggly wiggly. Trout. Yay! These things are slimy. They constantly slip out of my hands. Whoa! Settle down, honk. I caught one earlier, but I didn't film it. So you got two so far. Whoa. Woo! It's pretty here, isn't it? And there's my friend. She went for a little bit of exercise. I just caught one.
Did I hear a woo?
Yes.
Keep it down here now.
Okay, got another one.
Oh, that's a keeper.
Yep. Cool beans. Yay.
I have to get the sunscreen in here now.
Yeah, I'm gonna need some sunscreen too. I was gonna say skunk screen. Ah! Ooh, ah! Damn, these things are wily.
You have 3 trouts so far?
I have 3 trout so far. Yeah, I almost got my limit, girl. You better get busy with it. But if I catch something bigger, you know, I'll let one of the smaller ones go. Get my pliers out.
Propeller just goes right around. That's cute.
There's mine. 3-0. 3-0. And I caught 4 little perch that I had to throw back. They were too small. But Diane was a late bloomer yesterday too. She didn't catch anything for a while, but then she started fishing the way I'm fishing instead of with the artificial. And bam, boom, beat-a-ba, she caught her 4. So. Oh, shit. Did my worm come off? Yep. Come on, please cast out. broke my line on that pole that always catches, the one with the reel. You know that I'm always complaining about. I jerked it to unsnag it inside and I broke it. So we're doing a little hand fishing right now. Let's see if we catch anything. She thinks I'm nuts. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. This is why I fish with 2 poles, but I would never normally jerk on the line like that. That reel was getting on my nerves. Oh, something snagged.
Alright, this worm. Out of the sun, or which should I get him out of?
That one right there.
When I got my hands on?
Yeah. Snagged? What the heck? Oh my gosh. Handfish. Oh, she can't believe it.
Yours.
That's why I'm like, why is my line over there?
Oh my goodness. Who needs all this high-tech equipment?
Who needs all this? Right. I got lures and everything and not using anything but simple old worm. Look, you guys, my line broke. Wrapping it around my hand. Yeah, you guys, no pole is attached. I reeled this in, wrapping around my hand. And she can't believe I got a trout on it. Because I'm magical. I'm the magical fat cat fisher lady. She's over there puking. Oh, he swallowed this one. Can you believe that? Because I was sitting there saying, wouldn't it be a trip if I reel something in? Wait till you tell Dave this. That's why I kept going, why is my line way over there? This thing took it over there, that's why. Okay. That was cool. That's the coolest thing I've ever done. Diane, what were the chances of that? What? Swan. There's my 4, and I want 4 more. So now it's catch and release and swapping out the smaller for the bigger ones that I'll be catching. And now my friend over here needs to get busy. All right. She got her first trout of the day. That what?
It's going on the stringer. I don't care how.
Okay. That looked about like the last one I caught.
It's a little rainbow, I think. I have to try the pliers.
There they are. Yippee! She finally caught one. Of course, because I let her come over into my area, I relinquished my area because I have my 4. So I have to help her out, you know. Just because she's a big-time fisher person down in Florida, don't mean she can do it here in Colorado. They sniff that salt water on her. She has a different reel. What kind of reel is that called? Spinning reel. pecking out. We cut our daily limit again. Second day in a row. Beautiful aspen trees. We're at 8,000 and something elevation. There's no oxygen. We can't breathe. And my Florida friend is doing quite well, by the way.